Welcome to my channel. Friends, how are you? Friends, today I am presenting to you very beautiful and amazing ideas regarding the front door and entryway. Friends, the front door and entryway of a home are integral elements that play a crucial role in both aesthetics and functionality. They are the gateway between the exterior and interior world of your home. The front door is the first thing your guest will see, so you want it to make a good impression. Friends, there are three primary materials used to make front doors are fiberglass, steel and wood, but a modern front door system will likely combine two or more of these materials. So friends, you can see combination of steel with fiberglass and wood with glass in these ideas. The use of wood in front doors remains at higher side because wood doors offering the high-end look. This is first desired for consumer due to two things. First is wood has excellent resistance to dents, and second, scratches are easily repaired. The most common woods used to make doors are walnut, cherry, oak, maple, pine and fir. A thicker door with more intricate carvings and moldings is generally a better door. However, a wood door does need periodic varnishing or painting to keep it looking its best. On the other hand, steel doors are also in trend due to weather resistance and security. Steel is stronger than wood or fiberglass and it would not crack or rap. Glass doors are gaining popularity nowadays. Friends, glass doors provide a beautiful and fancy look. Glass door material is less secure, but modern glass safety doors include all the security measures necessary to keep your family safe and sound. Fiberglass door is the most common choice among these doors for its resistance to wear and tear. These doors require little maintenance and are available in many textures. Friends, choosing the perfect front door for your home is very important. So I am sharing some tips while selecting front door for you. Selecting a solid wood door for your home front entrance is recommended as it enhances security, serving as a primary barrier between your home and outside world. Before purchasing a new front door, it's crucial to measure the installation space to ensure the perfect fit without the need for significant modifications. Consider the style when choosing a front door. It should harmonize with your home's architecture and align with your personal design preferences. Invest in a front door crafted from durable, high-quality materials, as it's a long-term investment that should stand the test of time. Front door hardware, including knobs, handles, and locks, can greatly influence the overall appearance and should be chosen with care. Friends, decorating front doors can add charm and personality to your home's exterior. So I am presenting here some ideas and tips on how to decorate front doors. A fresh coat of paint can make a big difference. Choose a color that complements your home's exterior and fits your style. Paint a seasonal wreath on your front door. You can find wreaths for every season and holidays or make your own for a personal touch. Invest in a decorative doormat that welcomes guests and complements your door. Upgrade your door's hardware, including the doorknobs, lock set, and knockers for a polished look. Place potted plants or flowers near the door. This adds a pop of color and a welcoming touch. It is necessary to add touch of seasonal decor. Consider pumpkins for fall, wreaths for Christmas, or a patriotic theme for the 4th of July. Friends, if you like this video, please comment, like my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.